Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make money with Leonardo's images. So if you're looking for how to make money with image generation, you can try starting a YouTube channel. I have a friend who started a YouTube channel solely based on the images he generated from Leonardo AI. So what you do is to just generate images and tell a story with that image, or you would write your story and then generate the scenes or image scenes with the images you've downloaded from Leonardo AI. So I'm sure you must have seen some cartoon images or characters similar to these cats where they tell a very inspiring story with animals. I've seen about cats, I've seen about dogs, and you can also create something similar to that and monetize your content. So if you have any other idea of how to make money with Leonardo AI images, please comment below. Thank you very much and do have a great day.